Hey everybody, welcome to Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Kitchen. My name is Sonya Paz and I am your spice master here. And many of you might know me through my artwork. I've been an artist, a fine artist, and a painter for the last 25 years. And as of about 2 years ago, I came up with this recipe for Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Jalapeños, and it's kind of taken off. So my channel is not only to show you quick and easy recipes that you can make. So I started this channel so I can show you how to make awesome, super easy appetizers, adding things to existing recipes, replacing relish with my sweet and spicy, add it on burgers, stick it on tacos, fold it into tuna, and make a variety of different things that will be sure to knock your socks off. If you want to subscribe, please do so that you can hear all of my updates when they come out. I will post a video once a week. I hope that you can join us here in my kitchen while you're cooking in your kitchen. And of course, you can be chopping and slicing, dicing and cooking, roasting and toasting. So join us and we'll hope to see you soon.